Hi, I'm Samantha, and I'm getting my second round of vaginal rejuvenation. I came to Lucere. I get a little bit nervous about treatments. I research things a ton. And I just felt for me, seeing a nurse practitioner, somebody with a background in women's health, was gonna be the best route for me.
Hey guys, it's Crystal here, the nurse practitioner from Lucere Dermatology. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about vaginal rejuvenation, what it is and what we can do to help you. So vaginal rejuvenation is essentially a simple laser treatment. It's going to help improve the tissues of the vaginal canal and the external vagina as well. So essentially this treatment will help the tissues of the pelvic floor. We can help improve that tissue tone and texture, which will help with urinary incontinence, vaginal laxity. It can also help with things like vaginal dryness and atrophy. Does it hurt? Well, it's actually a simple laser treatment, and we do apply numbing to the area for about 20 to 30 minutes to help with any discomfort. The procedure is about an hour and 30 minutes long, and you will need 3 treatments, 4 to 6 weeks spaced apart.
Since having both my boys, I started noticing that I pee my pants like a couple times a day. And I was complaining to Crystal about it, and she told me about this miraculous treatment. So here we are trying it.
So let's get going and start with Samantha's treatment.
I didn't feel it at all, nothing. I immediately noticed after the first treatment that I could make it into the bathroom and get my pants undone and go to the bathroom without peeing my pants within 48 hours of the first treatment. And then after the second treatment, I do notice that I have more control of my bladder, that it can be super full. There's a lot less leakage when I'm, in that panic hurry to get to the washroom. I feel more confident running with my kids and playing outside. I am able to do more HIIT activities without being stressed out that I'm going to pee my pants. I definitely think any moms or any women who are experiencing issues should just do it. This is something we should do for ourselves to make ourselves feel better and more confident, especially as we age and after we've given birth to those beautiful babies.